Yes, now in Italy is the season of the cherries, so let's make something. I will do the drunk cherries or the cherries under spirit. Let's check the recipe from our book. Okay, in alcohol, cherries, page 84. Cherries in alcohol, 750 grams of cherries, 250 ml of alcohol at 96% of alcohol content. Okay, but first we should make the syrup, or the syrup, sorry. 100 grams of sugar and 200 ml of water. And as mentioned in the book, some peppercorns and a cinnamon stick. Now if the syrup is at room temperature, yes, it's cold, we can add 250 ml of alcohol, 96% of alcohol content, mix very well, cover the cherry, close and wait 6 months to test really the recipe. But I cannot wait so long, if not, you miss the cherry season. So now I will put the alcohol, cover it, and tomorrow I will do the testing. Remember not to fill too much the jar, because everything should stay under the syrup per alcohol. So this one maybe is extra. Shake a little bit. See you tomorrow for the tasting. They already changed color. Let's test it. They are already spectacular. This one on the ice cream, they are really perfect. So this summer in Italy with these cherries will be fantastic. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have tried them, let us know down in the comment. If you bought our book, let us know down in the comment. And my advice is to close them and to put in some place where you cannot see them, because the cherries are already addictive when they are fresh. This one in alcohol even more. So store it in a dark place where nobody can find them. Bye bye.